Ladies and gentlemen, his ass is in the hot seat. The true Rizzler done stepped out the shadows thinking he had something slick to say. This AI slop may never get cleaned off of YouTube. Nah, partner, what needs to get cleaned is that trash bag of a channel you call the true Rizzler. Let's break it down. Subscriber. 0 videos, 0 content. But you out here acting like you a YouTube analyst? Like you dropping gems? Bro, you been on YouTube longer than some of these kids been alive and still got the same resume as a broken VCR. You out here commenting from a ghost channel like you got authority. You got the energy of somebody who peaked in middle school and never bounced back. You hate AI, but guess what? A real person is behind this. This AI slop you talking about? That's me cooking, and now you the one on the grill. You said your little line thinking it was clever. But look at you now. Center stage, whole spotlight on your invisible content. I went to your channel to support you. I subscribed. I gave you your one and only view. I made your channel famous just by mentioning it. Congratulations, the true Rizzler. You got roasted by a legend. Next time you think about sneaking into my comment section with that weak sauce, just remember, you brought a comment to a content war. You don't upload, you don't create, but you got the nerve to critique? Yeah, you earned this roast. Wear it proudly. Your whole channel just got exposed and turned into a comedy special.